ko talaga na malaya na wala na pala akong, hindi na ako maating sa St. Joseph. At saka, yung nga, gustong-gusto ko na makinig ng preaching, ng Word of God, na-enjoy ko. At saka yung music, talagang love ko ngayon ang music, ng Christian song. Yung nga, nagtuloy-tuloy.
And with that, at the count of 5, pagtutungo ng 3, 2, 1, sisigaw tayo as Bishop Manny and Rev Helen cuts the ribbon and formally open Project Solomon in 5, 4, Life-Giver Founder, Life-Giver Father Paul, Life-Giver Pastor, the best dancer of Life-Giver, Bishop Emmanuel D. Santiago.
Hey, congratulations!